Accuracy, speed, and expertise are not just goals when resolving complex insurance claims and questions. They are requirements for the insurance carriers, TPAs, law firms, government entities, and captives who depend on Alpine Intel. They count on our timely, specialized investigations nationwide. Alpine Intel is easy to do business with and has streamlined processes and data-driven recommendations. Plus, clients receive first-rate customer service with every assignment. Our capabilities include commercial and residential assessments for the entire property, from the roof to the walls, from the HVAC system to the outlets, and from the pool pump to the trees. Auto and heavy vehicle claims services include damage assessments, crash reconstruction, and data analyses. We also provide fire investigations and investigative services for a variety of vehicle types and incidents. When you need defensible evidence, our litigation and subrogation services ensure you can demonstrate a single-line chain of custody, proper evidence management, and sound conclusions. SIU and workers' comp claim professionals use Alpine Intel's investigative services to validate claims details either on-site or through research. Alpine Intel's suite of services includes a variety of vetted experts from licensed forensic engineers to our certified fire investigators. Each team keeps the process moving thanks to innovations that help our clients make confident and fair decisions sooner. Receive actionable intelligence you can trust. Our focus on unbiased, science-backed data gathering and analysis is reflected in our comprehensive reporting, attention to detail, and evidence preservation. When accuracy, speed, and expertise matter most, Alpine Intel is your one partner providing many answers to help you make informed, confident decisions.